So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your key fob battery. So this is a Volkswagen key fob, but I suspect it's the same for whichever brand has programmed it. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is press this bit here to make sure the key gets out of the way to expose this little shape here. And you need a coin or anything that is hard enough to just pry it open gently. It's actually easy to do. See this bit here that comes off really gently, just right, and that reveals the battery. Now if you don't know what battery yours takes, or there's no battery in there, if you look on the cover there, it will tell you. Mine takes a CR2025, as you can see there. Okay, sometimes they're CR2032. Those are the two ones that I've seen, but just make sure that you get batteries that match whatever it says on the cover there. To get the battery out, you can use the same coin. Oh, it just pops out as you can see. And then that's the old battery. Put that away for proper disposal. Let me just open this battery. This is an Energizer 2025 lithium battery. Very, very nice. Right, I had to completely destroy that package just to get the battery out. So this is the new battery. Make sure it's face down with the written part facing up, okay? And that bit facing down into the key like so. Okay, there it is. So it's nice and flat and plush, and that should work. Now, depending on your car, you might have to take that to your car and reprogram it again. Okay, but that's how to change the battery. Thank you.